Anytime we do not have any sign at the front of the parentheses, there is always invisible positive sign. Anytime we have positive sign at the front of the parentheses, we just remove the parentheses. So I have minus 6z minus 9. In this case, I have negative sign at the front of the parentheses. Anytime I have negative sign at the front of the parentheses and I want to remove the parentheses, I have to change every single sign inside of the parentheses. Why? Because I simply multiply this negative sign by every single sign inside of the parentheses. Negative times negative gives me positive. That's why I have positive z over here. Negative times positive gives me negative 15. Okay, and I eliminated the parentheses. Next, let me organize the like terms. I have minus 6z plus z minus 9 minus 15. Minus 6z plus z is minus 5z. Remember, anytime there is no number next to the variable, there is always invisible one. Anytime we add negative number to positive, we simply subtract from the bigger number, smaller number, and keep the sign which is next to the larger number. 6 minus 1 is 5, and I have to keep the sign which is next to the larger number. So next to 6 I have negative. Minus 9, and I have negative 15. I have two negative numbers. I simply add them up and keep the sign. 9 plus 15 is 24, and I have negative sign is negative 24. This is the solution to my problem. Anytime I do not see any sign at the front of the parentheses, there is always positive. Anytime I have positive, I simply copy everything, whatever is inside of the parentheses. I have minus 12b plus c minus 32. Now this time I have negative sign at the front of the parentheses. I simply multiply this negative sign by every single sign inside of the parentheses. I have negative times negative is positive plus 3b. Negative times negative gives me plus c. Negative times positive gives me negative 76. Next, I have to organize the like terms. I have negative 12b and I have plus 3b. Okay. Next, I have plus c and plus c. I have negative 32 and negative 76. Okay, let's combine the like terms. Minus 12b plus 3b is negative 9b. Why? From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number is 9. And copy the sign which is next to the larger number. That's why I have negative 9b. C plus c. Remember, there is always invisible 1. So if 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why this is 2c. I have two negative numbers, negative 32 and negative 76. Negative 32 plus negative 76 is equal negative 108. This is the solution to my problem.